Maestro has started on a family portrait, and how long ago was this, Maestro?
Uh, 1 to 2 weeks ago.
No. When was the family picture taken?
It's about 1972 or 3.
Okay, and this is now 2018, so it was a few years ago. And this is his family, and it's in his breakfast area. And tell him about the your wonderful chandelier. This is the chandelier. And I said, oh, is it ormolu? And he said, no. What's the deal?
It's a brass fixture, but I covered it in metal leaf and put several coats of a gloss on it. And it pretty well works like it's gold.
And it's been like this decades?
Yes, since I'd say the 70s.
Since the 70s. So, his question this morning, he and his wife are discussing whether to have the chandelier or not the chandelier. And being a person of some documentation, as I am, I said, oh, please put the chandelier in, especially since you've done it. And so I've just dropped the picture. So let's see if I can pick that up now. And what I had suggested, and I know, as we've all agreed, if Da Vinci had had a copy machine, he would have done the same thing.
Right.
Maestro's photograph happens to be, of course, just what he needs to go up there. So rather than sketch all of that, which he's well capable of doing, he sketched the people. So if you can sketch the people, you can sure sketch a chandelier, but it would take a little time. So he is going to buy some graphite paper today and use a stylus and just trace over this, and he'll have it right there in place where it needs to be. So it was like just perfect all the way around. So we'll get back to you as he works on this more. But why not take a shortcut? We know he can draw, so we don't have to prove anything to anybody, and that way he'll be able to paint faster. He's working in acrylics, and so today he'll make great progress. Bye now. So Maestro has laid in, he has copied with the, traced with the carbon paper. It gave a very light trace, and now he is kind of roughing in with paint and proceeding nicely. So, I love smart people. Why do something the hard way? You know? We'll be back to you in a bit. Maestro has had a full day of painting today, working on the family, and this is a beautiful mirror you have. I want to come see your house. That's lovely, and look what he has done on the chandelier. And it's very nice. Anything you want to say?
No, I just got to finish it.
Well, you will. As I said this morning, I love how you rendered the curtain. So it's a good day.